Are you looking for a reliable waste management service for your next project? Welcome to Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters, DYD LLC, your go-to source for a hassle-free dumpster rental in Mount Pleasant, Tennessee. Whether you're tackling a home project, decluttering, or managing construction waste, we provide the perfect solution for all your waste disposal needs. With a commitment to simplicity and a range of reliable dumpsters, we empower you to take control of your cleanup projects with ease. Our dumpsters are perfect for any project you have in mind, from home renovations to yard cleanups. We provide reliable and spacious dumpsters that cater to your specific needs, ensuring you have the right size container for your waste removal. Don't let clutter and debris slow you down. Trust Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters, DYD LLC, for all your dumpster rental needs in Mount Pleasant, Tennessee. Our experienced team is ready to assist you in choosing the right dumpster size for your project, ensuring a smooth and efficient waste disposal experience. Call us at 615-290-2029 or visit www.diydumpsterstn.com. Dumpster Rental Mount Pleasant TN to get started. Do-It-Yourself Dumpsters, simplifying waste management, one DIY project at a time.